sofa?
Let me check. No, I can't see
Ma'am,
any.
it is a dog.
Oh,
Ma'am, it is a dog.
it's a dog.
Oh, okay. We will see it
See,
later.
blue dog, right?
Cookie?
Ayush, come back, dear.
Ma'am,
We
I
will
also
see it
have a
later,
dog.
okay? At last 5 minutes, you show me, okay?
Okay, yes. His
So
name
Ma'am,
is
I
again,
Cookie.
also have.
very good, good, good. So you all are enjoying with them, right? Okay.
Yes,
I
but he's only
want
there for 5 days.
the dog, but my father is telling no to bring the dog.
Okay. So children, can we start the topic? Yes,
Yes,
everyone
ma'am.
is ready. Please turn on your camera. Everyone is visible to me with the
Ma'am, my camera is not getting on.
Vedi, Gunav, Yash, Mohit, Jahan Agarwal. Every day you
Ma'am,
need
I'm
the teacher,
returning.
Karnav. Every day you need the teacher is to remind you with sit with your camera on. Now it's a we are completing just 2 years now. In the second year we are running, right? Doing with the online classes. So please, Kivna, Guna, yes, Desai, Dhyan Dalal, sit with your camera on, please. I request everyone to sit with the camera on. Okay. So once again, good morning, everyone. So as you all know that we have already started our chapter parts and
Hole, hole.
Holes.
Ma'am, am I
this
visible?
yes,
Am I visible?
yes.
Okay, okay.
So now we moving ahead for yesterday we have done with the introductory part. We have started with the that parts and wholes is also a fraction is a part of a whole. When we are discussing about the part of from a whole that we were discussing, and I asked that 1 upon 99 is greater or 1 upon 100 is greater. Which part is bigger?
Ma'am, 199. Ma'am,
Tell me, you said 199. It is not 199.
Not 199. I said not 199.
I want the correct answer. What you are trying to tell me? Which is greater? Which
I'm
part is
saying
greater?
99.
You have
99.
to say the full
Ma'am,
1 upon 99. You cannot say
1
99
upon
only.
99. 1 upon
Yes.
99.
With you will not read with these numbers. You need to read the complete part because when you go in a party, in one party there was a cake. They have done 99 pieces and you got 1 upon 99 piece. And in one party they did 100 pieces, so you got 100 piece. So you naturally see जो चीज 100% में divide हो रही है will be less part you will get compared to the 99. थोड़ा सा तो difference होगा ही, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Same go with if you are going in a
Yes, ma'am.
party where the cake, one cake only, maybe the size we don't know, but it's a one whole cake and divided into the 5,000 people, and another cake which was divided into 500 people, and you got 1 upon 500 share, and the other person got 1 upon the one who went in this party got 1 upon 5,000 share. So whose cake size is bigger? Kiska part bigger? Yes, 1 upon 500.
5,000. 501.
Yes, 501 will be the greater. Okay. Now, if I tell you which party you want to go, either there are two part of cakes are there. In one party you get the 1/3 cake, and the another party you are getting 1/4. Which party you want to like to go?
1/3.
Ma'am, the first party.
1/3.
Which
One
party
third.
are you?
1/3.
1/3.
The first one.
Why?
Ma'am,
One piece of
because
cake is bigger.
it with the pieces.
Yes, I tell you again, don't go with the numbers 3. If you go with the numbers that 4 is bigger and the 3 is smaller, no. 1/3 means that from that whole you did 3 parts. Now in this whole you did 4 parts. So automatically the fourth part will be the smaller part compared to the way you are doing the 3 parts. So 1/3 is greater than compared to the 1/4 part. Am I clear with you all? Yes?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I was having one chocolate and I gave it half of the chocolate to Twisha. Yes, Twisha? How much chocolate you got?
Half, ma'am.
Half. And what is remaining from the full now?
Half part.
Which is with me.
You.
Half part of this full is with me.
Yes.
From this half part, I divided into 1/4 and I gave it to Lakshya. 1/4 of the remaining half part I gave it to Lakshya. But Lakshya is thinking that why ma'am is giving half to Trisha and only 1/4 to me. Then again I decided, okay, I need to give some more part to make it same like Trisha. So how much more part I need to give to Lakshya?
Ma'am, half.
So that
1/4.
1/4.
1/4.
1/4.
More 1/4 part will I, when I give to Lakshya, it will become same like the half.
1/4. 2/4. 1 second.
Yes. So what have you observed here? How many 1/4 make the half?
2.
2 1/4.
is making 2 half.
2 1/4 making the half. So we can say like this also that 1/2 when we make the same. So how many 1/4 we are making? When we add 2 1/4, it will be 2/4.
Yes.
So 1/2 and 2/4 are same now?
Yes.
Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
And we
again,
never plus when we never plus divide
we denominator, we never plus denominator, yes. Because आपने तो 4 parts ही किए थे ना? Parts will
Yes.
remain the same.
yes.
Okay. But now he is getting 2 out of the 4. So only you will add the numerator. Numerator. है ना? So now we can say that 1/2 and 2/4 are same, are similar. What
Yes.
it is called? It is called, they both are, which sign we have put here?
Equals.
Equal to sign. So we can say both are equal.
Yes.
Either you say 1/2 or if you say 2/4, both are equivalent. So now next is,
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
yes,
I don't think 1/2 and 2/4 will be equal because in 1/2 we are giving out a half, but one part out of 2 parts. And in the 2/4 we are giving 2 parts out of 4 parts. So I don't think how it is
See?
equal.
out of 4 parts, same, there was same hole. I want to show you. It was same hole, na?
Huh?
How many 1/4 make the hole?
4. 4.
How many 1/4 make the hole? Can you see here? 4 1/4. If I talk about half part only, how many 1/4 make the half?
2.
2. So can you see now this?
Yes.
And when you put it here on this, practically also you can see that exactly 2 1/4 make the half. Ayush,
Yes, ma'am. 2 1/4 make the
are you
half.
clear?
No, ma'am. I
In
don't
the
know.
half, we have only done 2 parts.
Okay. Yes.
Oh, in the half, we have only done 2 parts, and each part is the half part. Yes, in the whole, from the whole, if you have done only 2 parts, and each part is the.
Okay. Yes, I got it.
और फिर उसने half के भी आपने half कर दिया, तो 1/4 हो गया.
Yes. Got it.
So don't think कि ये तो 1/4 है, it will be bigger and the half will be the smaller. क्योंकि यहाँ तो 2 है, यहाँ 4 है, that will be bigger. No. बिकॉज हाफ का भी आपने हाफ किया है, 1/4 2 1/4 आपने मिला के, देन ओनली इट विल बिकम हाफ. So we can say that 1/2 and 2/4 both are same, both are equal. Okay, these are
Yes, ma'am.
these are equivalent fractions. जब हम equivalent same fractions बनाते हैं, I'll tell you more about this. For example, if I have only 1/3 cake and I gave to someone, so how many 1/3 to make? See, now 1/3 part we are talking about. So if I take 1/6 part, so how many 1/6 make the 1/3?
2 6.
Ma'am, 2.
See, I am exactly putting on it. How many 1/6 make?
2 2
Can
6.
you see? 2.
2.
So 1/6 plus 1/6.
Six.
So you can say 2/6. So 1/3 and 2/6 are same,
Yes.
are equal.
Yes.
So
Yes.
are you observing any pattern going on in this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, multiplication pattern is also going on. And
4, 3, 6.
can you see? Yes, this denominator is just becoming double. Numerator also becoming just double because we have taken two parts.
Ma'am, then 1/4.
If-
Ma'am, if we will take 1/4, it will go to 8. 2/8.
If I take 1/4,
4 equals to 2/8.
very good, equals to 2/8.
8.
So if 1/8, yes, please go. If I take 2 1/8,
Yeah.
it will become 2/8.
2/8.
Ma'am, there will be, ma'am, if there will be 12, so it will be 3/12.
Where?
If in the opposite,
Next one. In 1/3.
if there will be 12, so there will be 3/12.
Let me check. If I take 1/8, so now it will become what? Find the equivalent for 1/8.
Ma'am,
Jahan
ma'am,
Agarwal.
16.
Ma'am,
Jahan
216.
Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
1/8. What will be the equivalent fraction for 1/8? Observe the pattern which I am following here. Yes, Samriddhi is right. 1/16. Yes, 1/16 plus 1/16, 2/16.
2/16.
मतलब आप दो 1/16 को ऐड करोगे तब जाके 1/8 बनेगा. So you will see that this is the half of this. 1/16 is the half of this, and 2 1/16 जब मिलाओगे तब 1/8 बनेगा. Yes or no?
Yeah, ma'am. And
Now here see, 1/4 is the half of the 1/2, है ना? 1/4 is just the half of 1/2, but when we make 2 1/4, it's just become the half exactly. So are you following the pattern here? And according to the mathematically, when we are multiplying the numerator and the denominator with the same number, 2 into 2 is 4, 1 into 2 is 2. This also when you multiply it with 2, 3 into 2 is 6 and 1 into 2 is same number. We have to multiply the numerator and the denominator with the same number, you will get the equivalent fraction. Got it? When you multiply this with 2, you will multiply this also with 2, you will get 2/8. Same way, you can get more equivalent fractions. For example, if we do with the 3 also, you will get the more equivalent fractions. For example, if you multiply it with 3, so 3 2 just 6 and 3 1
3.
3. So when you add, so what is the answer coming? 3/6. So 3/6 and 1/2 both are
Same.
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 If you want to find more equivalent fractions, if Samriddhi want to find more equivalent fractions, Samriddhi, if you want to find, for example, if I tell you any number, this is the number 1/3.
Yeah.
Find the two equivalent fractions for this.
Yeah, ma'am. I mean, not only.
One is already given to you. Two more equivalent fractions.
Ma'am, 2/6.
So
And
first you are multiplying with the 2/6. And the other one is?
we will multiply by 3. So
Yes.
3 and 9.
Very
3/9.
good. 3/9. Twisha, if I give you any number, for example, 1/5, find the three equivalent fractions, same like 1/5.
Find 2, 1, 5.
Three more equivalent fractions.
Okay.
First, start with the 2 as we have done with the 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Same way, you keep on making more equivalent
Ma'am, I
fractions.
didn't understood it.
Got it? We'll explain you again, okay? The first thing was clear to you that how many 1/4 make the half?
Yes, ma'am.
It was clear to you?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, wait. It was clear to you, Dharya?
Yes, ma'am.
And then I told to see that there is some pattern is going on. And you told that multiplication pattern is going on.
Yeah.
Then I teach you that multiplication pattern is with the 2.
Yeah,
And
so
same
ma'am,
way
if I do
we
1
do with
multiply
the-
by 2 will become 2. Then like that 2 multiply by like that it will come 1, 2, 3 like
So
that.
this is the one multiplication equals equivalent fraction you find out. Yes or no by multiplying by
Yes.
2. If you find more,
Yeah.
so multiply it with the 3. Hannah?
Yeah.
Suppose there is this.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
we
yes, tell me.
write this in notebook also.
No.
And ma'am, I had got the second answer also.
Wait. So suppose you need to find out for the area. So keep on multiplying, then follow this multiplication method and keep on finding the more equivalent fractions. Got it? If suppose I was telling to Twisha 1/5.
Ma'am, I can't understand. Please explain me again.
See, as I was telling that 1/2 we did the 2 1/4 make the 2/4. So we have observed that one multiplication is going on. Some pattern is going on. Yes. So the pattern is 2 into 2 is 4 and 1 into 2 is 2. This way you find out one equivalent fraction. If you want to find out more equivalent fraction, keep on following this pattern. Multiply it with the 3. And when you multiplying the denominator with the 3, multiply the same number with the 3. So the next equivalent will be 3/6. Then again keep on multiplying by 4. 4/8. This way, as many as equivalent fraction you can find out. Yes or no?
Ma'am, I had to make a 2 by
Yes.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Now, Trisha, will you try? Yes, I will give you chance.
2 by 10.
2 into 2. So 2/10 is the first one. Next. Next.
3/15.
3/15. Yes. Next.
Four upon 20.
Yes. Got it? Okay. It can be any of the fraction and you can find. Now, children, can I prove this? How it is 1/5 and how these three are also 1/5? Same like. You can see their denominators is different, numerator is different. How can I prove it? When they are divided, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. It's 1/5. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 10. It's 1/5. 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20, 1 upon 5. Now you can see all are same. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, I have more names. 1 upon 5.
But ma'am, how it is equal? We have to change
See,
it down.
एक cake था जिसमें से 5 parts के you got 1. There was a cake that
Yeah.
10 parts you have done, but you got 2. 10 में से 2 parts. So 10 में से 2 parts मिलना या 5 में से 1 part मिलना is the similar.
Ma'am, they are increasing
Yes or no?
more 5. Ma'am, they are increasing more 5, 5, 5.
Got it?
Ma'am,
And
Yeah, under 15 and
under
20
a cake था, we have done 15 parts, but you got 3 parts out of the 15 parts. It is similar to the 1 part out of 5th part. Then
Yeah.
cake.
ma'am,
Yes, I will give you
Because
chance.
in
Just a
every we
minute.
are getting only 1. We are not getting 2 or 3.
No, from 20 parts, if you are getting 4 parts, is similar to the cake which is having 5
Yes,
parts
ma'am.
and you getting 1 part. 20 parts
Yeah.
में से अगर आपको 4 मिल रहे हैं is similar compared to the 5 में से 1 मिल रहा है. Yes or no? This
Yes,
way
ma'am.
you can find out as
Yes,
many as equivalent value. Yes, Desai. You start. Yes. Fine. Yes, you were asking something and you want to tell something, please.
No,
Yes, Desai. Yeah, turn on your camera, please.
6, 9.
Others, please mute your mic. Dharya, mute your mic, please.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, please. Yes, tell me. Yes, your voice is not coming. Your mic is mute.
ma'am, nothing.
You were trying to tell me something, ma'am. I want to tell you.
No,
Ma'am, can I see the answer of this?
I was trying to answer the second one.
Okay. Now. Can you give me the answer for the third one?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please tell me?
2
More
upon
equivalent.
2 upon 12.
12. 12 parts में से आपको अगर 2 मिलते हैं is equivalent to the 6 parts में से अगर आपको 1 part मिलता है. Got it?
हाँ.
You try this
Yes, ma'am.
activity at home. You try equally
Yes,
divide the chocolate.
Ma'am,
into parts.
you send this worksheet now.
On the basis of this, you will get the worksheet. Next equivalent. Yash.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, 3 upon 18.
Yes. Next is
Then 4 upon
tell me.
ma'am, 23.
Yes.
No, ma'am, 24.
24. This way you can keep on finding the equivalent fractions.
Ma'am, I want to
These
answer
are
one
called
question.
equivalent fractions. One last I will ask from Lakshya and then we will do some textbook exercises.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I want to tell you something.
Yes, Samriddhi, wait, let me ask from Lakshya. Lakshya, the number is 1, for example, if I take 2 upon 6. Can you find the equivalent fraction for this?
Ma'am, 4 point
Upon, it is called upon, not point.
4 upon 12 and
Excellent.
8 upon 18.
8 upon, no, it will be 6
6
upon.
upon 18 and next is 18 no 8 upon 24.
Very good. Yes, sir. You got now, students?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have a doubt
Yes.
that we have to say the small number first. That 4 upon 12, we can't say 12 upon 4.
No, we cannot read the reverse. Means this is the total parts we are doing. आप 12 parts में से 4 की बात कर रहे हो. So you will say 4 upon
Ma'am.
12. है ना? There was one cake.
Ma'am, it is 2 table and it is 6 table.
Yes. So always remember, we are talking, whenever we are talking about the total parts will come as the denominator, right? And out of that total, we are talking. Yes, yes, Desai. Let me explain. So out of these total, you ate 4 parts, for example. Total, there was one whole cake and you did 12 parts and you got 4 parts. There was one cake, you did 18 parts, but you got 6 parts. There was another cake, same type of cake, you did 24 parts and you got 8 parts. That is why we are reading as 4 upon 12. Always remember the denominator denotes as the total. कि आपने total parts कितने किए हैं. So now Trisha, you tell me 4 upon 12 is greater or 6 upon 18 is greater?
6 upon 18.
As you know that we are learning the equivalent fraction, so it should be equal. It should be equal. 12 parts में से you getting 4 and 18 में से you getting 6. Yes or no? There was one whole cake, you divided into the 12 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and some more parts you did. And it should be equally 9, 10, 11, 12 parts. And out of the 12 parts, you're getting 4. Wait a minute, Prisha. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts you're getting. Okay. And then again, it's a 18. There was same cake, size cake, and you did 18 parts. Out of that, you're getting 6 parts. So you will see the same portion of the cake you will get. Try this activity at home. Okay. As I was telling you, the 1/3 one, wait a minute, let me explain one more. So in the
Ma'am,
1/3, yes.
Ma'am, because of internet connection, I left.
I was just explaining the same concept. Okay. So as you all told me, yes, Nishika.
I wanted to ask you, I didn't understand when you did of the 2, then you took 4, then 6, and then 8. And when you did the 4 one, why did you take 6? And why didn't you take 8?
Tell me the number. Tell me the number. Maybe I forgot the number which you were telling. Tell me number. I will write here.
The one which you asked Trisha.
Okay, I will explain here again. Try to understand it. If it is a 1/3, okay. Yeah. If it is a 1/3, but my mistake in the another cake, I did 6 parts. Okay, I did
6 parts.
6 parts. There was one cake. In that cake, in one cake, I did 3 parts. Each part is 1/3. In another cake, I did 6 parts. And each part is similar, like 1/3. So how many 1/6 make the 1/3? Can you see here?
Ma'am.
How many 1/6 parts? How many 1/6 parts make the 1/3? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, 2.
How many 1/6 parts make the 1/3? 2. Can you see here? 2 1/6 make the 1/3. Nishika got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
So 2 1/6 make the 1/3. So both this is also same, this is also same. From 6 parts, if you're getting 2 parts, then also same. And from 3 parts, if you're getting 1 part, then also same. Got it, Nishika?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Yes. If you want to keep on finding with the more bigger numbers, then you follow the pattern which we are following here, which I cannot able to show you because the big numbers will come. With the small numbers, I show you that this is the method we are following. Yes. But if you want to keep on doing and finding the more equivalent fractions, you follow the pattern which we are following here. We are following the pattern of multiplication here. 1 into 2 is 2 and 3 into 2 is 6. So if I tell Nishika to find one more equivalent fraction which is same like 1/3, so what pattern you will follow?
Ma'am, I'll multiply 2 by 2 and 6 by
No, you will not see this. You will find equivalent same like 1/3 with the main which is given to you.
Okay, I'll multiply by 3.
Yes. The next equivalent when you find, you will multiply the denominator and the numerator by 3. 3 upon 6. If you want to find more equivalent fraction, what you will do, Mohit? I will ask for Mohit now.
Excuse me,
Mohit,
ma'am, it will be 3. 3 by 3 will be 9.
yeah, sorry. More equivalent, Mohit.
Ma'am,
The pattern which we are following here, we find out one equivalent, which is we follow the pattern here. Same way you can find out more equivalents. Can you tell me the pattern which I follow here and find the one more equivalent here?
ma'am, like 1 3 ja 3 hai.
She had already if you want to do with the 4 parts. So what you
3
will
4
do?
ja 12.
1 4 is 4 and 4 3 is 12. Got it? So
Yes.
now I can say that 3 upon 9, 2 upon 6, 4 upon 12, all are equivalent to 1 upon 3. This word is called equivalent fractions, means equal. Priya, Guna, Vikant, Dhyan, Daksh, are you all clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any difficulty,
Yes, ma'am.
Chandalal? No. If I give you now, there will be some missing. Yes.
If we have 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 6.
1 upon 3 and 2 upon 6. Yes.
Yeah, and we have to make it bigger.
Which part is bigger? Yes. Now tell me.
So we will get 1 upon 3 or 2 upon 6.
No, if I say from one cake you are getting where the 3 parts you have done and you getting 1 part.
Yeah.
And in the one cake you did 6 parts and you getting 2 parts. So in which cake you are getting more?
1 upon 3.
My dear, we are doing the equivalent fraction. You will get the same.
Okay, because if we will take, I will take one piece, it will be bigger. So we can make about it 2 pieces.
Ah, yes. उसके ही वो बड़ा part होगा 1/3 का जो. And see here. See, I will show you here. This is 1/3, right? And this is, can you see here? This is 1/3. And when you make 2/6 on this,
Yes.
this is 1/6. This is 1/6 part. Can you see? When 2/6 make exactly the 1/3.
Okay.
So now you can say both are equal.
Yes.
That is why we are learning the equivalent fractions. So whatever you are finding out here, you're finding out the equivalent fractions only, which are equal. No part is bigger, no smaller. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Suppose if I give you one more example, 1 upon 2. And here I give you the denominator, which is 10. And nothing is given in the numerator. So who will try? Raise your virtual hand. Who will try to find out how to find out the numerator here?
Samriddhi.
Yes. No, Dhairya will try.
Ma'am, the numerator will be 2 and upper on numerator will be 2 upon 10 and ma'am, it will
As
be
I
2
was
multiplied by
telling,
5
you
into
can
10.
see here, 2 multiplied by what? So we got the 10.
5.
So with
multiply 5.
with the same number we multiply the numerator also.
So 5 will come up.
So now we can say 1/2 and 5/10 are equivalent.
Yeah.
From the 10 parts, if you're getting 5 parts, just half हो गए. 10 का half है 5. 2 का half है 1. So both are equivalent. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Same अगर you getting 3/6. 6 का just half है 3.
Yes.
2 का just half है 1. So both are equal.
Yes.
चाहे 6 parts में से आपको 3 मिले means total half मिल रहा है आपको. You getting half parts. Yes or no?
Yes, and we will get
And
one part also bigger, about 3 parts.
yes. Priya has also written something. Okay, 1/3 is given. I'm giving you, and 24 is written already here. Mohit, you tell me. How you have find out the 24 by multiplying with which number?
Ma'am, 6 4s.
Here is 3 only. 3 को आप किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो कि 24 आ रहा है डिनोमिनेटर में? 8. So आप इसको भी किससे करोगे? न्यूमरेटर को भी, so that you will get the missing number.
8 by 4.
1 into 8.
8.
8.
Answer is 8.
So from 24 parts, 8 is the 1/3 of 24. Yes or no?
Yes.
When you see the table of 8, when you say the table of 8 3 times, you will get what? 24. When you say the table of 1 3 times, you will get the 3. So 1/3 is similar as 8/24. 24 में से 8 is also the 1/3 part only. क्योंकि ये 24 का 1/3 है, right? 8 is the 1/3 out of from the 24 parts.
24 parts.
Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I hope you all understood the concept which is being taught to you here, how to find the equivalent fractions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, children, for today's class.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in this.
Yes. Stay.
If